There's a tool called Evil Jinx, and there's other ones similar to it. And I got a little cartoon that I'll quickly walk through that shows kind of how this works. But what happens? A threat actor out there, they spin up a website, Evil Jinx kind of website, and it looks like a login page to Microsoft. So it has a look and feel to that. They will then send an email to a user. This was actually an example of one through our security awareness training that got sent to a phishing simulation that got sent to all the employees at Huntress. We get stock options, and somebody sent one to us saying, hey, your new options are there. And I can tell you lots of people at our company, busy, smart people, click that link. I thankfully was on the road and missed this email, so I did not get clicked on it. But this is what the threat actors will have done that research. What would have happened in this case? We would have then gotten to this site. Oh, hey, you have to authenticate with Microsoft. All right, yeah, that's normal. Let me put in my username and password. The Evil Jinx site grabs that credentials, passes it on to the actual Microsoft page as well. So to the user, seems all normal. Then Microsoft says, hey, you know what? This user needs MFA. User, give me your MFA code. And the Evil Jinx site sends that back over to the user. Hey, give me your MFA. The user says, yep, I'm used to this. I have, a token code that I'll put in. And Evil Jinx sends it on to Microsoft. So you could log in successfully even on some of these. And you'll log in, you're like, oh, okay, that's kind of weird to redirect. Something happened, but I'm in. Nothing, no worry about it. But what will happen is Microsoft will send a session token to the Evil Jinx server. And they normally will send that token also onto the end user so they don't realize it. But that token, the threat actor can grab. It's basically a bunch of code. They can copy and paste that into their browser, and they are immediately logged into the mailbox. And so this is where you need solutions like an ITDR from Huntress that can detect these adversary-in-the-middle attacks.